Hello watcher and subscribers. Today's topic related with how to remove duplicate entries from Excel sheet. So this tutorial is for the student as well as for the teachers also, or it is also useful for the other employee also. So nowadays what happened, the many people they are engaged in live classes, in some online work. So what happened, while doing this work they are getting their data feed up in the Excel sheet, and in the Excel sheet might be they are getting some duplicate entries. Suppose you are taking live classes, and if the particular student is attending your class more than once, means in that live class he is joining your class and exit and again join, so his name is included in the list more than once. So in that case you have to remove that duplicate entry from the Excel sheet. So dear student and my watcher and subscriber, without wasting time, here I tell you how you can remove the duplicate entries from Excel sheet. So first upon you have to select that data, and this concept will be more useful if your data is large. Okay, if it is limited then you can manually also you can do. So if suppose you have more number of entries in the Excel sheet, then this concept will be more useful. So after selecting this data, you have to just go on the home tab. Got it? Home tab, and then you have to select conditional formatting. And in the conditional formatting upside there is an option highlight cell rules. Okay, again I repeat, you have to go in home tab, then select conditional formatting, then there is an option highlight cell rules, and downside there is option of duplicate values. Okay, so you just select that, and here it is asking color for the highlighted value. You can select any color whichever you want, just click on OK, and after doing this you can observe the change. Suraj, Datir and Raj Sharma, these are the unique value. Okay, and the other values like Ajay, Manoj, these are the duplicate entries. So it is clearly differentiating these values. And then after that my task is remove the duplicate entry. So once again you select that data as it is, and then you select on data tab. In data tab you have to select remove duplicates. Got it? Remove duplicate option. Once you select that, you are getting the column name whichever we have, that is name and marks. So along with that name record, it is belonging to the other values, so ultimately we will remove that values also. So you have, it is better if you select that all the record, it is better you select that all the column names like name and marks, so that entire record will be removed. So by default it is selected, so you just hit on OK. So now you see the changes, whatever the duplicate entries are there that have been removed from the Excel sheet. Now all the values are unique. So in this way your time will save if you have the large number of entry. If it is limited then you can manually also delete it. Okay. So this concept will save you a lot of time, and it will help you to remove the duplicate entries easily from your Excel sheet. So I hope dear student, my watcher and subscriber, you understood this concept of Excel sheet, and thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.